The named tuple in Python lets us access elements using names. Let's learn to implement them. Import it from the collections module. Colors is this type with the fields red, green and blue. Red is this named tuple of type colors. In it, red is 255 and the fields green and blue are 0. And similarly, we have green and blue as well. This is red and these are the fields in it. Now pets have name and age. Fluffy is a pet, 9 years old. This is Fluffy. We can access values in named tuples using the dot operator, but we can also do it using indexing. They are backwards compatible. And we can also use the getAttr function for this. We can convert a named tuple into an ordered dict, create a named tuple from an iterable, and even create it from a regular dictionary. Named tuples are immutable, but we can change an attribute's value with the replace method. These can be useful when you have multiple fields in one. A named tuple is faster than a regular tuple.